Remember when you had to lug around one of these or its much bulkier cousin to take a video? Well, these have now been replaced by these. Whichever one you choose to film on, there's a couple things to keep in mind. Here are some tips for shooting better video. This first one has the potential to be really controversial. Turn your phone horizontally. This is how TV shows and movies are filmed, and honestly, it just makes sense. Next, make sure what you're filming is well lit. Okay, so you don't have to quite do something like this, but even something as small as this or the light on the back of your phone will do amazing things for your shot. And when you're lighting somebody, remember, this is good, this is best, and this is worst. If you're filming on your phone, don't use the zoom that's built in. These different cameras have different depth capabilities, so when you go from one to the other, it's gonna jump in the video. Instead, zoom with your body or download a third-party app. You can change the focus, the exposure, and one of my favorite things is this app has a sister app that lets me film on 2 lenses at the same time. Just remember, it's not the camera, it's how you use it.